Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a one-way slab design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete one-way slab using working stress method for commercial use with 10 feet span and assumed thickness of 4.5 inches. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 5,000 psi, main bars half-inch diameter bar grade 60, temperature bars half-inch diameter bar grade 60. The load of 4.5 inches thick slab is 56 pounds per foot. A commercial live load is 100 pounds per foot. Floor finish is 20 pounds per foot, and partition is 20 pounds per foot, for a total load of 196 pounds per foot. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab S7. Length of span 10 feet. Slab thickness 4.5 inches. Main and temperature bars half-inch diameter at grade 60. Strength of concrete 5,000 psi and total load of 196 psf. Given Fc prime equals 5,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows: N equals 7.195, K equals 0.403, J equals 0.866, R equals 393. Given W equals 196 pounds per foot and L equals 10 feet, the moment is 29,400 inch-pounds. The effective depth is 2.5 inches and total depth is 4.5 inches. Given M equals 29,400, Fs equals 24,000, J equals 0.866, and D equals 3.3, the area of steel is 0.43 square inch. The spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 5.5 inches. The area of steel for temperature bars is 0.097 square inch, and the spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 16 inches. The shear force is 980 pounds and shear stress is 24.75 psi, less than 77.78 psi. The total circumference of bars is 3.43. The bond stress is 99.98 psi, less than 500 psi. Design results are as follows: Fc prime equals 5,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, length of span is 10 feet, thickness is 4.5 inches, main bars of grade 60, half-inch diameter bar at 5.5 inches on center, bent up alternate at L/4, plus extra top bars. Temperature bars at grade 60, half-inch diameter bar at 16 inches on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.